India's Lahul and Spiti, Laholi and Spiti, Himachal Pradesh first cold desert biosphere reserve. Okay. So what is the main thing in the Lahul and Spiti? These are the two subdivisions. These are also two sub-district divisions of the Himachal Pradesh state. Okay. So what is there in the Lahul and Spiti means they are the first cold desert biosphere reserve. Okay. You know the main important thing is Ladakh. Ladakh is the first cold desert in India. Ladakh is the first cold desert. First cold desert in India. But the cold desert biosphere reserve is the first is Lahore and the Spiti. Okay. So what is the important here is the region between Lahore and Spiti in Himachal Pradesh has been designated as India's first high altitude cold desert biosphere reserve. So what are the why it is created as a biosphere reserve means you can see n number of species, particularly plant species. At the same time, the flora and the fauna species are there. Okay. You can see here Himalayan ibex, Tibetan wolf, red fox, snow leopards. Okay, cold desert ecology and even different kind of Ayush type of medicines are also there. Okay, so that is the reason it was created as a biosphere reserve. Okay, so one thing you should remember what is meant by cold desert, what is hot desert, and what is cold desert. So, what is hot desert? What is meant by hot desert? Hot desert, you know that hot deserts are located on the western coast of the continent. So when you look at the India also, you can see the hot desert is located on the western coast of the Rajasthan state, western part of the Rajasthan state. So what is happening here means what is a desert basically? It is not a cold or a hot, but what is a desert means less than 10 centimeters of rainfall per year. Then you call it as a desert. A desert occurs when there is a very scanty rainfall with less than 10 centimeters of a rainfall per year. So then that place is called it as a desert area. Okay. So you can see the hot deserts. You can see the hot deserts. Jaisalmer is there. Okay. In Rajasthan, Jaisalmer is there. Ajmer, Jaisalmer. So all these places comes under the hot desert. Sahara desert. Okay. At the same time, the Atacama desert, Gobi desert. These all comes under the hot desert.